Good day. My name is Business Coach Tim. Some people call me Tim the Motivator, which is my speaking name. I am a serial entrepreneur and business coach. Serial entrepreneur meaning I'm not married to one particular business. I just like business in general. So with that being said, I've owned 16 plus businesses in over 8 different industries. I have a wealth of knowledge. I do engage in personal development and self-education. So I'm here to, basically help you elevate as an entrepreneur. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, I'm helping you drop the title and you just be an entrepreneur.
The pros and cons of entrepreneurship. So I'm going to start with the cons. I usually don't like to talk about too much of the downside of entrepreneurship so I don't discourage anyone. So I just say the cons of entrepreneurship. Yes, you definitely going to have to work hard, but I always say hard work isn't hard to a hard worker. All right, so if you're a hard worker, the working hard part shouldn't be that hard. Sacrificing time and money. Okay, that's a given. When you go to work, you sacrifice time and money, actually. So I wouldn't consider that a con. I look at it as a healthy risk. If you don't take any risk, then you won't probably get a big reward. So it takes risk to get reward. Another con, if I could think of entrepreneurship, we'll elaborate on the sacrifice. So just say relationships, you want to be dealing with somebody that's supportive because, you might have to spend a lot of time away and put that energy into your business. Hopefully you have, we'll just say, healthy relationships with your children's opposite, whether you're a male or female. That way they understand, look, I'm not neglecting my kids. I'm trying to build a better future for them by becoming financially free so that they won't have to worry about the things that we have to worry about, as far as student loans, bad credit, used cars, apartments versus condos or houses, land. So basically generational wealth. So the sacrifice is for the better good, meaning I'm trying to build generational wealth, not I'm neglecting my responsibilities. All right, so let's get into the pros, which I can talk forever on that. But just say I went into business for 3 things, and I just classify it as 3 F's: financial freedom, flexibility, and family time. So of course, financial freedom, when you work a 9 to 5 or any type of job, they're not gonna pay you enough to live the life that you want to live. I don't know anybody with a job that's driving their dream car as far as over $70,000, probably over $50,000. But I never seen anyone working a job driving a Lambo or a Maserati or what's something else big, A8 maybe, and and we're saying not like, of course, like if you're a stockbroker, high-end lawyer, doctor, something like that, that's a whole nother ballgame. We're saying the average everyday American. So just say the average everyday American is 2 paychecks away from poverty. So you definitely won't be able to afford your dream car or dream house at that rate. Your debt to income ratio is going to be already upside down. So ain't nobody going to finance you if you could afford it. So other pros, like I said, family time, flexibility. Being an entrepreneur, you really get to do what you want to do. As far as wake up when you want to wake up, work when you want to work. Of course, it's pros and cons to not going to your business and doing work, but you still have that option to not go. So some days I don't feel like doing anything. I'll just literally stay in the house and just watch videos all day. But I have that option. You also have the option to send someone else to do the work, whether it's a subcontractor, an intern, or an employee. So any business owner could do that. No employee can send somebody else to do their job. But just say whether I got a photography business or a cleaning company, I could send an intern, I could send a subcontractor and still make money. All right, you don't have that flexibility with the job. Family time, of course, being that you have the flexibility of your schedule, then okay, I can make up lost time with my family or loved ones, because I can say, okay, well, I'm going to take off this week and work virtually, and then I can go to the beach with my family, I can spend time with my sons, I can do pretty much whatever I want to do. So there are a lot of pros to entrepreneurship. Now, yes, like I said, it's going to take work, but anything worth having is worth working for. All right, so personal development, financial literacy, self-education will help you transition into entrepreneurship if you're currently working a job that you dislike. So today's Monday. Les Brown said most heart attacks happen Monday morning. And it's because people are going to jobs that they absolutely hate. All right, so it makes sense. Sunday evening come, your time is winding down. You know you got to get ready to go to this job the next day that you hate. So it does something internally, a lot. So I feel like not only is entrepreneurship the ship that we should be in, that most people should be in to lead to financial freedom, but it's also healthier because just say if you work in a job that you hate, plus you're stressed out about bills and creditors, like it's gonna take a toll on your health. I've seen a lot of young guys, late 20s, 30s, early 40s. Some people don't make it out of their 30s and 40s because stress is the number one cause of death. So if you look at you working a job that you hate and you still got to worry about bills, and we'll just throw in relationship issues, which most of us have at some point, that's a recipe for disaster. All right. So I encourage everyone to start, working on yourself harder than you work on your job. If you're looking to transition into entrepreneurship and you need a coach or help, I'm always accessible. You can reach me directly at 803-261-5948. Once again, that's 803-261-5948. Or you can find me on LinkedIn, Timothy Simpson, Facebook, Tim Simpson. Email me at timthemotivator@gmail.com.
Thank you for tuning in today. Once again, this is your business coach, Tim. If you want to follow me on IG, it's just going to be Tim the Motivator, the number 9. On Facebook, usually I'm either on I have about 3 different pages, so either Tim Simpson or Timothy Simpson. You can follow me on either profile. On LinkedIn, government name, Timothy Simpson. If you want to email me directly, it's just timthemotivator@gmail.com. I usually put my number on flyers, so I'm going to extend that offer. If you want to text me directly, whether it's a question or you got a situation where you might need business coaching, my phone number is 803-261-5948. Once again, that's 803-261-5948.